In this video, you will learn how to remove link from Instagram bio. So to remove link from your Instagram bio, all you need to do now, open up your Instagram like this now. After you open the Instagram, now go and tap on this, open your profile. So after you open your profile like this now, let's say now I want to remove this link from my Instagram bio. So tap on this edit profile button. Now allow it to finish loading like this. So after you finish loading, now scroll all the way to down. As you can see now here it says links. So tap on this links. So under this links, as you can see now here is the link that I want to remove. So tap on the link you want to remove. So tap on this remove link. So tap on this remove again. As you can see now it's loading to remove the link from my Instagram bio. So as you can see now the link has been removed. Now go back again. So as you can see now I remove a link from my Instagram bio. That's it guys on how to remove link from Instagram bio. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.